Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just returned from an overnighter and came home to some mail, so I thought I'd turn the camera on real quick, knock out a couple quick mail calls, and yes, just let's jump right into it. Alright, let's jump right in. Now I already know what this is because I've seen it in other videos. I will read the note. It's Chris's Variety Channel. Brother, you have a cool sticker, man. I'll tell you what, that is very cool. I like that a lot. So Chris's Variety Channel, and then this one, it's gonna be from my buddy James G. Now I've not seen a sticker yet, so this will be my first time seeing it. Awesome. James G Adventures, or James G Outdoors. That's a cool sticker too, really cool. And he actually sent a bonus one, a little sticker to go with it. That is awesome. Thank you both. Those are going on the board right now. Alright. Chris's Variety Channel. James G Outdoors. Very cool. Proud to have you brothers on my board. Thank you, Chris, for the nice note. I didn't think to send notes with mine. I just fired them out. So that was very cool. Alright. Alrighty. This box is from address label. I'm going to try to keep them hidden. Just make sure I get the name right, correct. This is from Mark, all the way from Texas. Of course, I'll link his channel down in the description. Wow, cool. I got some food. Let's see what we got here. Got some Texas Pete hot sauce. Sweet. Could always use that. Devour sharp cheddar mac and cheese with bacon. Well, I'm already sold. Those are awesome. I'll be eating that in a video. I got a hash browns with bacon. Sweet. I love hash browns and I love bacon. Oh, I got a book. The Prairie Traveler. I'll have to check that out. It might be some nice reading material. Got a Texas terrorist hunting permit. Interesting. Okay. I got, looks like a meal pack in here. Let's open that in a minute. I got a, looks like an Exotac I'm honestly not sure what this is. Oh, badass. It's one of those tool rolls for like eating utensils and stuff. That is cool. I actually don't have one of these. That's badass. Yeah. Pockets down in here for your silverware. Pouches here for other items. That is wicked cool. I actually don't have one of these. Awesome. That's badass. Beanie Weenies smoked hickory. Smoked sausages. Sweet. I got ×2 spicy hot chicken flavor ramen. That sounds good. I bet that'll be nice and hot. Tuscan beef. MRE Maine. I've never had that one. Beans, lentils, and vegetables. That's cool. And this is, oh. Yeah, Troxane. I actually used to burn this stuff I used to burn with this all the time. It's a fuel gel. I was thinking it's Troxane, but no, it's fuel gel. That's cool. I actually don't have any of this. trioxane. Yeah, I thought trioxane because it's in the same box, even though it says it fuel gel, because apparently I can't read. Awkward. Vaselina Pura. Okay, I'm not sure what these are. To explore those. We got dental floss. Cool. Love how small it is. And I get a poker chip. Honor, courage, valor, sacrifice. That's cool. I don't know if my camera will show that, but I love stuff like that. That's neat. And this needs to be opened up. Oh no, it's a Ziploc. So, let's say we got, we got a folding stove. That's badass. Looks like we have fuel for it. I think these are fuel. A Squincher Black Cherry Electrolyte Chews. Very nice. Some tea. Throat coat. I'm always clearing my throat. Might actually be nice. Nice. Super Cleanse Herbal Supplement. Caffeine free. Super Cleanse. Might take that at home. Military Energy Gum. Rock on. Oh, cool. More electrolyte chews. Beverage bag. FRH. A second beverage bag. Applesauce. COVID strike. That's funny. Hand sanitizer. And looks like Hot Licks. Oh, these are those cinnamon toothpicks. That's badass. I actually haven't had these since grade school. Man, that is wicked cool, brother. Thank you. I got like 2 videos, 3. I got multiple videos with these. I'm gonna have to do something with the ×2 spicy. That'll get my attention. These will have to be a video. Man, I got a lot of videos coming up now. That is really cool. Badass. Okay, so that brown box came from KratzMC. Just want to make sure I had it right. And thank you very much, Mark. Appreciate that. And I will link his channel in the description. Alright, the next item. I'm actually not sure who this is from, if I didn't recognize the name. So if I open it and realize who it is, I'll be embarrassed. But, oh, cool. Black and white Jack Sheep fire starter. Oh, cool. Fire starter. That's very neat. Oh, the whole box is full of fire starters. Let's see, we got black and white fire starter kit. Nice. Oh, I got looks like a stove. I believe it's an Esbit stove. Fire Fuzz XR black and white. I've actually not used any black and white fire starting stuff, so this will be a new one. This is black and white old school. So like we've got oh, it looks like a patch. Black and white fire starter patch. I think we got 2 of them. A small patch and a big patch. Very awesome. I've not used any black and white fire starting stuff, so I don't know who sent this to me though. Oh, and I got a sticker too. Sweet. Let's get this open. I see. This is from Chris from Chris's Variety channel. Dear Mark, Chris Variety has sent everything to you. Okay, so it's from Paul. Okay, that's badass. Wow, Chris, thank you. That is very nice of you. That's why I didn't know who the name was, because it was from Chris. So we're gonna bust the sticker board out. And I'm going to put the black and white fire starter sticker on my board. And put it right next to Chris's Variety Channel. Sweet. I mean, it's upside down, but you get the idea. Alright, just wanted to say a big thank you to Chris, James, and Mark for the very nice mail calls. Appreciate that, brothers. I do. He gets you right there. I got a lot of videos to do now, so there'll be much to do, and yeah. So very much appreciate it, and as always, all my viewers, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.